An initial part of configuring BimlFlex is to configure the BimlFlex metadata database and the BimlCatalog audit and orchestration database. From the Biml ribbon UI, click Setup BimlFlex. In the dialog, specify the connection string to the database server and the database names to use. In this case, the default names BimlFlex and BimlCatalog are used. However, any valid name can be used. Click Deploy to create the databases. Once the databases are created successfully, click Done. In this demo, the database creation is validated through SQL Server Management Studio.